What I'm going to try to put together here today is a video on how to make a belt buckle, or how I make a belt buckle, not necessarily how you're supposed to make one, but that's what we're going to make. Is that belt buckle right there. Go ahead and scarf one end of that. And we'll scarf the other end of it. See how close we are to the length. There we go. About right there. There, how about that? We'll make a neck cam out of it. I don't know if that's going to work, but we'll try it. Now, I need to hold that in there so that it's at the right spot and not let go. I'm just guessing that my apron's going to be in your way. That fire's starting to turn color. Now all I need to do is tack this side and then I'll work on the other side. Trying to go slow so as not to burn them up. I'm going to give that one more shot. Now I think that's welded together. So let's take a wire brush to the other end. Put a little borax on it. Wasn't hot enough. I think we got it tacked. Now we'll blend it in a little bit. And we'll call it done. I'm pretty sure that side's welded. Let's go back to the first side. I want to get that welded on the back side there. So one thing, this face shield has helped me out a lot. I can see right down in there. I can see that steel a lot better. I can see the seams disappear when I bring it out to the anvil. Okay, that's welded together on the back side. And the transition is gone. Looks to me like well, let's give it a good brush and see what it looks like. Well, that's welded there pretty good. I reckon there's one way to find out. Throw it on the ground a couple times. Yeah, for a belt buckle, I think it's welded.